Hello, the machine is ready. Let me test the machine for you. This is the melter with a double pump filling machine. This is the 60-liter drum. You bought 10 pieces extra, right? Okay, this is a mixer which can be taken out easily. You see? Can be taken out easily. And we equipped a socket here for the filler and the mixer. This is the control center of the melting machine. Okay, and this panel is a display panel. There is no need to adjust anything on it. And here we have two temperature display. Let me show you how to adjust it. Press the set. Okay, and when the flash is fixed here, we can plus, minus, see, and next one, plus, minus. And after you set up the temperature, you can press that again to confirm it. Okay, so they're the same way to set up. This is the main power switch, and this switch is for heating. We turn this on first, and then turn this on. It will, and then set up the temperature, and then press turn this on to start heating. Okay. We have two temperature sensors. First one is here. You see? We need to put this inside your wax, so it can detect the temperature of your wax all the time. And another temperature sensor is under the under the tank. Okay, it is in the center of the green plate. Okay, now let's check the mixer for you. First of all, we need to make sure the bottom is under zero, is on the zero, and then turn it on. Okay, adjust it a little bit. You see? The speed can be adjusted. Fast, slower. Okay. That will be the mixer part. Okay. Turn it off. Okay, next we will check the filling machine.